Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am exploring the Borivali National Park, which is known as Sanjay Gandhi National Park. It is established 1969 in the name of Sanjay Gandhi. It is 87 km long, situated its headquarters in Borivali. And now I am going to explore the Borivali National Park. Also here the famous Canary Caves is there, which is a rock cut monument. Entry fee for Sanjay Gandhi National Park is 77 per person, and an extra amount is charged if you want to visit the Canary Caves there. The ticket counter is right inside the park, close to the caves. The Sanjay Gandhi National Park ticket price for foreigners is Rs 200. I reach at Canary Caves. The Canary Caves in Mumbai are a group of rock-cut monuments in the form of caves. The caves and the paintings themselves illustrate the Buddhist influence on the Indian art and culture. The caves are famous for their 109 special entrances as well as for their unsigned sculptures. Canary Caves complex was built over a long time. It is a collection of 109 caves, with the earliest ones dating back to 1st century BCE. Those are relatively plain in comparison to the caves built later. Canary Caves used to be a Buddhist monastery and a point for worship, study and meditation. It is located within the Sanjay Gandhi National Park, and you will need to trek through lush green forests to reach the caves. Apart from checking out the caves and the views nearby, you can also witness multiple paintings and statues of Buddha, some of which remain unfinished. Canary Caves also have numerous small streams and waterfalls. If you are looking for a tranquil place to get a view of the city skyline, Canary Caves in Mumbai should be your choice. The area has 109 caves, and Canary Cave number 3 is the most elaborate among them. Long hall, curved columns and a tall statue of Buddha at the entrance marks the cave. The 16 feet high stupa towards the end of the cave is also one of the salient features of this cave. Cave 4 is among the oldest of all the caves, and the next two, Cave 5 and Cave 6, are water cisterns. We planned to take bicycle, but we reached late, so we take sharing car for Rs 50 per person. Also, you can go and come back by walking if you have enough time. It is 7 km long from the main gate to the caves. We come back by walking with the beautiful green nature and the spotted deer. Timings are 7:30 am to 5 pm every day, and Monday is closed. Ticket is rupees 25 per person. The main attraction of this park is the 2,400-year-old Canary Caves, sculpted by monks out of the rocky basaltic cliffs, lie within the park. The rich flora and fauna of the Sanjay Gandhi National Park attract more than 2 million visitors every year. The main gates open at 7:30 am and close at 5:30 pm. The park also provides monthly and yearly passes for morning walkers. The access timing for pass holders is 5 am to 7:30 am only, and personal transport vehicles are allowed within the park to the Canary Caves by paying a nominal amount at the main gate. The park's main entrance is located in the northern Mumbai suburb of Borivali, 0.9 km east of Borivali railway station, which is connected by road and rail to Mumbai and Maharashtra. The Western Express Highway passes by the park entrance. Buses are available on holidays and Sundays from Mumbai to the park. Also, chartered vehicles can be hired for groups to visit the park. Now, bus and sharing car is available inside the park. I will share the information in this video description.